Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a head-to-head battle between two grooming gadgets that will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. On the left side, we have the Philips Oneblade replacement blade, and on the right side, we have the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver. Let's dive in and see which one takes the crown. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade comes in at a cool $30, while the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver is priced at $59. Now, I may not be a mathematician, but that's almost double the price. Is it worth it? Let's find out. When it comes to durability, both products claim to be top-notch. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months. That's a lot of shaves. On the other hand, the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver is equipped with German stainless steel titanium blades that resist dulling. It's like having a razor that never gets tired. I don't know about you, but I like my gadgets to go the distance. Now let's talk versatility. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like the Swiss Army knife of grooming. Meanwhile, the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver takes it up a notch with its 5 independent floating heads that contour to the curvature of your head. It's like having a personal barber in your hands. Convenience is key, my friends. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade comes with a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin. No more nicks and cuts. On the other side, the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver is water-resistant and even has a built-in hair capture chamber. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. Plus, it has a travel lock feature, so you can take it on the go without any accidents. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade is praised for its superior performance, precision, and convenience. It is highly recommended by users for its close and comfortable shave, durability, and ease of use. On the other hand, the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver is praised for its close cut, ease of use, and sturdiness. However, some reviewers have mentioned concerns about the battery life and charging time. Overall, both products have positive reviews, and it ultimately comes down to personal preference and specific needs. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Philips Oneblade replacement blade and the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver in various categories. It's time to make a decision. Are you looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done? Then the Philips Oneblade replacement blade might be your best bet. But if you're willing to splurge a little for a premium experience with added features, the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver has got you covered. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your grooming needs. That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to review next. Stay smart and happy shopping!